How difficult was it the last week to get your team into the right frame of mind for this test?
Well, the whole season's been difficult, because when you think we went to New Zealand and lost the two lads, John and Liam, and that was a tragedy for this football club. And I know they were looking down on us today, and it might have been those guys who got us along the line, across the line, along with the fans. The fans were absolutely fantastic. But the last 4 or 5 months since I've been here, there's been some tough times. There hasn't been too many good times, but I'm certainly a stronger and a better person for it. But this week in particular, we've treated it like a cup final. Our preparation was fantastic. I just knew how we trained this week. And I looked into players' eyes, and when you look into players' eyes, you can tell if they're ready for this. And a lot of people bottle this situation, but I thought we took it with both hands, and every single player on that pitch today deserves credit. Now, let's not get carried away. We've not had a great season, and I understand that. But I'm going to enjoy this moment because I ain't enjoyed many Saturdays, Sunday, weekends for a long time. So, it's a great performance by the guys. We shouldn't be in this position. We were, and we dealt with it.
Just a word about Jonas Gutierrez, if you would. There could be no more popular man to get you over the line than him.
Absolutely. And I said to him 2 days ago, you could write your own fairy tale. Just me and him sitting in the office, and I said, when you think of what you've gone through, what you've done for this football club, what you've gone through, what you've recovered from, to work hard to get back into the team, you just might get the goal that gets us across the line today. He didn't, but what he did do is he got us that breathing space, because you know what it's like. It can be panic stations in the last 5 minutes of a game. And, fair play to him. That just shows the type of person and character he is.
Bearing in mind it could have got panic stations, when you've got a 4-on-1 and the one is the goalkeeper and you don't score, what are you thinking then?
Yeah, when it was Wavern running towards the goalkeeper, I thought we're in trouble here. But, he was outstanding all afternoon. He just had gone down with cramp just before that. So I actually thought he might cramp up as he was running through. But he just picked the wrong decision. He could have played the ball earlier. I think we had about 4 in attack, is that right? And, we should have put the game out of sight then, but we didn't. We stuck by our guns and did what we had to do, and got that second goal towards the end, which was great.
Something has to change at this football club, I think, for next season. I think everybody accepts that. Do you want to be a part of that? Do you want to be at the head of that? What's your situation?
My views haven't changed from day one. I still want this job. I love this football club, okay, but I enjoy doing what I'm doing. And, I know this summer's a big summer for the football club. We have to invest. Mike's assured me, along with Lee Charnley, that we're going to invest. That's encouraging, because there ain't been a great deal go right for me in the 4 or 5 months I've been here, but I've had a lot of things go against me. Now, I'd like a summer to bring players in that I want, along with the football club, to make this football club better. And I haven't lost my appetite for it. Actually, with what's happened today, gives you even more enthusiasm to want to do what you want to do and make sure we don't get into this position again.